Hi guys, I'm back. And as you can see, I have a wet painting sitting here in front of me with at least 2 or 3 different paintings scraped off of it at this point. Some days it's just not your day. So we're going to try today to use the GenCrafts acrylic neon pouring set. We're going to use one color out of it. And then we're going to use the GenCrafts metallic acrylic pouring set. We're going to use 2 colors out of that. So you can see I've got paint all over them. I've already used them, but they come in these gorgeous colors. Red lava, violet pearl, orange pearl, blue metal, iron pearl. Some really beautiful colors. And then of course the neons, really super bright colors. Orange and yellow, pink, 2 different purples. This really pretty color. It's neon red, but it's a gorgeous color. And then green, of course, and you get some yellows in there. So some really beautiful colors. Really very bright. But we're going to use, got to take the little seal off of here. Today we're going to use the ice silver, the Avery green, and the green pearl. And what we're going to do is we're going to pour, oops, no, I'm not going to, sorry, I'm wrong about that, because the ice silver is not, I don't know what I was thinking, that is not a neon color. So we need a neon color to go over these colors. So let's go with, how about we just go with the white? It's a, no, not white. How boring is that? Let's go for, dare I try the yellow? Maybe over this green and something else. How about maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure. I really want to mix the greens with the yellows. So we could try, I don't know. We could try doing this color, neon lime. It doesn't really look green to me, but we'll go with it. With the, maybe this color, and how about some purple? Purple? Purple's nice. We'll see how that goes. Some odd color choices here, but that's okay. So I'm gonna make sure you mix it up well. This one still has a seal on it. I forgot to get this seal off. So sorry, I'm trying to get the seal off of it. Well, it's not cooperating. Let's use a sharp palette knife there. There we go. Okay. Sorry, I dropped the top on the floor. So I'm gonna pour a good bit of that in there. And then pour our metallics down in there. Well, this color mixed with that other color, look how pretty that is. All right, maybe a hint more green. We shall see. It's a pretty little cup. And we're just going to do a straight pour. There we go. Oh, it's quite pretty. Alright, let's give it a torch real quick. Pop all those air bubbles so they make some pretty cells, so to speak. And let's just sort of move it around, because I'm not ready to pour any off the edges yet. I think actually I'm going to take some of this paint that's on the table and pour it along that edge so it'll hopefully pull it off. It's a lot of paint on the table, so I have lots to spare. Hopefully it won't be too ugly underneath. Hopefully this won't come up from underneath. Although even if it did, I don't think it really would be that big of a deal. Alright, pour it off these corners. Corners never cooperate, ever. Alright, so there we go. Let's see if we can pour that off of that corner. Go. It's almost like pearls that come up under there. Oh, I gotta get rid of half of them just to get the paint to come off of there. Alright, so now we need it to come off this corner, and then we'll pull down. Now let's pour down. Oh, now you can see some of the purple. That's what's under that blue that you can't see real well. So it's almost like a cloud pour. It kind of ends up like that. Okay. There we go. Let's bring some of that back so that yellow. So we still have some of that yellow on there. Well, it's kind of neat. It's very different. Alright, so we need some of this on this corner here because we have a little bit of that orangey color. So there's that on that corner. Whoops, I dripped it. I'll try not to drip it because then it'll look weird. That orangey color is kind of coming up from underneath it. There we go. Okay, so that corner's fine. Oh, I kind of like it. It's cool. Alright, so I'm going to take my gloves off here. I'm going to show you the first one I did. That was the first one I did. And it was a small canvas. This is a 6-inch canvas. And it actually worked really quite well. It's already drying. This paint dries really fast, especially the metallics. So that, I like that. Which is good because the last several paintings have not gone quite so well. Let's just pop some air bubbles. I don't know if that really will help to bring up any of the metallics underneath, but the purple didn't come up a lot, but it's pretty in there and you can kind of see it in little places. But then that sort of a turquoisey green, that green pearl, come up really nicely, and then you've got this sort of lacing and some pearls, so that's quite pretty. I like that. Alright, so I'm not going to touch it at all, because if I touch it, I will mess it up. Alright, so here is a close-up. there is the center. And you can see the shimmery pearlness of the metallics. Very pretty. Almost sort of a watercolor effect. And you got the pearly purple, and that's a pretty corner. You can kind of see how the shimmeriness of it. It looked really pretty outside. Sorry, my camera keeps going out of focus. That's just a cool center. That would make it like a real cool pendant, just that little piece right there. Okay guys, if you're new to this channel, this is one lesson you can take away from this particular painting, is that it doesn't always work the first time or the second time or the third time. Sometimes it works the first time, but then it doesn't work for like 6 more times. So you guys don't give up. Try different products. This one's a nice one to start with. GenCrafts, I'll put the links below for the products or the website, and you guys can check it out yourself. If you're, one of those people that doesn't like to buy a lot of products like the floetrol or the pouring medium or glue or any of those other things, try this. Try this first. It's a nice little product and very vibrant colors. The colors dry beautifully, and they actually dry really quite quickly for pouring paint. So yeah, the more I look at this, the more I like it. So alright guys, thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for watching the ads for me and just supporting me in all the ways you do. Please be careful out there. Please, I know a lot of people now have stopped wearing their masks, but there's a new form of COVID out there. It's the Delta variant, and it's a nasty little virus, and it's very, very contagious. So please guys, I know it's a nuisance, but wear your masks, use your hand sanitizer, wash your hands, keep a nice distance from people, love each other and take care of each other. Alright, wherever you're on the planet, hope you're having a lovely day. See you later, bye.